Oh, oh, girl. Let me put on this headband, hold on. The curls are springing today. My spring break has come to an end. I'm so tired, you guys. I don't know if you can tell. I'm tired. I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. And I just want this fever dream of like what's happened to America to just like be over with. But anyway, hello and welcome back to my channel. It's me, obviously, Shanalee, here on YouTube. I don't know why I had a voice fry. On YouTube, my day. I'm just chit-chat, get ready with me, okay? Look at this beautiful plant that I get to look at. She's so cute and she's a little dry. Don't spill. Oh, let me just, you know what? It's okay, girl. All right. We all have those days where we drink or eat something and it goes straight through us, right? Let me show you what she just did on my pants. Oh my God. Do you see this? Why? Why? Started here and we're just gonna take my normal foundation. So, y'all, what is the 411? What have you been up to? I love this makeup brush. It is Wet n Wild P55 brush. I really love it. And it also has like a dip inside there. You could like put... Did you hear that? What the hell was that? Am I tripping? You can like put your makeup right there in the dip. I'm doing pretty like light makeup today because it's kind of groggy outside. That's like the only way I can explain it. It's a little groggy. I can artist. I have carpal tunnel. Boom! Now I don't need sleep. Ugh. I gotta go to the DMV this week. I'm so excited. It's a Jeep Wrangler and it's literally like one of my dream cars. When you want to use it to like, I like to see it flick up really intense. She's really my tan color. I'm going to use a little bit from this eyeshadow palette. Oh yay, my boyfriend put glass in my car today. That's nice. Forgot. And he changed my oil. Oh, I love him. Not for eye. Okay, so maybe I'll put some of this on my cheeky. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I could get down with that. I never used this color before. I don't know why I'm leaning so far to that side. What the hey? I have a rib pain that's been here for like man, I don't know now. I've had it for about a week. About a week straight and it hurts so flipping bad. I don't know if I laid on my side incorrectly. I don't know what I did, but it definitely is killing me. I don't know, this is just the foundation brush, the blush brush, the brush. Oh, she's very light though. I'm coming. All right, and that is the finished look. Thank you for joining me here. It's me, Shanalee. I will see you in my next video. Subscribe, join the Fig fam, because we welcome everybody here and spread nothing but peace, love, and positivity, yo. I will see you in my next video. Let me put on my glasses here, see how beautiful we look. Oh yes, you are so lovely. Turn on the notification bell so you're notified every time I make a new video. And comment down below what you want to see next here on my channel. I have a mess here I have to clean now, but I will see ya. So I'm gonna take over this way. When you first walk in, there's carpet cleaner on the floor. I haven't needed to use it, thank goodness. Right, there's an orchid photo picture that I painted that I didn't end up liking. I'm gonna try again. So that's just a little bit of scrap. I also paint in here. You walk in. Oh, it's all pink. I have here my golden girls, stay golden. There's gonna be so many like gems in here that I'm showing, but it's got this like cool reflective little piece and it's made from India and it's just so beautiful. My mom and I love elephants, so I got her one also in a different color. And this brooch I thrifted from my local thrift. I thrifted this couch with this little footrest and it's like really Victorian like. I love it. I love the pattern. Some of my plushies, some of my games. I also thrifted this, but I ruined it with some nail polish remover by accident. Last year's leaves, a Pokemon card, my real crystals, my sewing machine, some artwork, and here's my clothes. We got Clueless here. My mom said it looks like a clothing store in here. And I'm like, oh my gosh, that's cool. I made that little pickle guy right there a while ago. And I love playing my Sims 2. I'm a 1995 baby. This is my everyday purse with my wallet, my coin bag, some purses. I have my crystals on. I have my artwork here. And then we go over here. This is my chair that I also had painted to match everything. I love this milkshake. I got her on sale a while ago at like Walgreens and I love her so much. She's so cute. Here is my car keys, my Tamagotchi, my more glasses because I'm blind. I have here a little thing for my sister that I'm making, a camera, some notes, yoga mat. This is just what I just filmed. Sorry, my stuff's out. Window. I made this little quilted, it's not really quilted, it's crocheted. I crocheted this giant jumbo blanket. I have some plants. And here is like my collection of all my fun things and all my toys. I have a couple loose things, like a couple buttons here, but it would be so much to go through all of this, so maybe just take a quick peek. So I have some CDs, Pokemon, Tony Hawk Hot Wheels, cool collabs. To my yoga stuff and more Tamagotchis and some lotion that I put in there the other day. A little mirror. Oh, Well, excuse me in the little mirror. Some frames, some things to paint. Under there I just have my hair dryer, my mom's present soon. These are just seeds. And yeah,